What if a tile breaks? RedClean's commitment to your peace of mind. Our insurance coverage for breakages. At RedClean, our top priority is to provide exceptional cleaning and maintenance services that meet and exceed our customers' expectations. We understand that accidents can happen, and sometimes, despite our best efforts, a tile might break or slip out of place during our work. That's why we want to assure our valued customers that we're fully insured to handle such situations with professionalism and care. Our pristine track record. Before delving into our insurance coverage, we want to emphasise that at RedClean we take immense pride in our outstanding track record. Over the years, our experienced team has completed countless projects with minimal to no incidents. We're committed to delivering high quality services without causing any damage to your property. Our dedication to preventative measures, safety protocols and meticulous workmanship have helped us maintain an impeccable record. Understanding accidents. Sometimes the unexpected occurs. While we strive for perfection, we recognise that accidents can happen in every industry. Even with the utmost care, a tile might slip out of place or in rare instances break during the cleaning or maintenance process. We want to assure our customers that in such cases, RedClean has the robust insurance policy in place to rectify the situation promptly and professionally. Our comprehensive insurance coverage. At RedClean, we believe in transparency and accountability. We've invested in comprehensive insurance coverage to protect our customers and their properties. Here's what you need to know about our insurance policy. Coverage for accidental damage. Our insurance policy is designed to cover any accidental damage during our cleaning or maintenance services. This includes situations where a tile is accidentally broken or dislodged due to our actions. Professional liability protection. We take full responsibility for any damage determined to be our fault. Our insurance ensures that you, the customer, are not financially burdened by the cost of repair or replacement. Prompt resolution. In the unlikely event that a tile breakage or any other damage occurs, our team will swiftly address the issue. We are committed to resolving any damage-related concerns with professionalism and efficiency. Customer satisfaction. We aim to rectify any damage and ensure your complete satisfaction with our services. We value your trust and want your peace of mind throughout the process. Preventive measures. Our commitment to minimising risks. While our insurance coverage provides a safety net, we want to emphasise that our commitment to minimising risks remains unwavering. Our team of skilled technicians undergo extensive training to ensure they can perform their tasks with the utmost care and precision. We utilise the latest equipment and follow industry best practices to prevent accidents and damage to your property. Open communication, your partner in property care. At RedClean, open and transparent communication is vital to a successful client-provider relationship. If you have any concerns about the condition of your property before or after our services, please feel free to reach out to us. We are here to listen, address your concerns and take appropriate action to ensure your satisfaction. Choose RedClean with confidence. In conclusion, you can confidently choose RedClean for your cleaning and maintenance needs. We have a pristine track record of damage prevention, a comprehensive insurance policy to cover any accidental damage, and a commitment to resolving issues promptly and professionally. We aim to leave your property looking its best and provide peace of mind. Your satisfaction is our success, and we are dedicated to maintaining the highest standards of service excellence. If you have any questions about our insurance coverage, our services, and/or would like to schedule a project with us, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to serving you and ensuring your property remains in top-notch condition.